Leaf-tailed geckos perfectly mimic dead leaves. Cuttlefish rapidly change color patterns and textures. Stick insects sway like branches in wind. Thorn bugs resemble plant thorns on stems. Orchid mantises mimic flower petals precisely. Drop a lizard if camouflage amazes you. Flatfish change color to match seafloor patterns. Katydids look identical to leaves including veins. Bark mantises blend seamlessly with tree bark. Seahorses mimic swaying seaweed and coral. Pygmy seahorses match host coral species perfectly. Leaf insects even mimic bite marks on leaves. Stonefish are virtually invisible on coral reefs. Wobbegong sharks resemble algae-covered rocks. Potus freeze motionless resembling broken tree branches.